So, I've been using Super Clean for a long time, and I usually turn down offers like this because it's usually something that I've never heard of or something that I would never use. But Super Clean, on the other hand, I know is awesome. Use it for everything, and turns out they have stuff I didn't even know about. Foaming Super Clean, wheel cleaner, floor absorbent, Super Clean in an aerosol can. I had no idea. So anyways, I'm gonna try some of this stuff out on videos here and there and show you how it works. We're always spilling stuff in here, so I'm curious how the floor absorbent works and the wheel cleaner. I've purposely been letting Angel's wheels on her GTI get covered in brake dust so we can see how that works. So, that being said, it's always annoying when you see videos like this on a channel you watch, and the next thing you know, they're wearing hats and shirts from whatever company, you know, sent them something to try, and it's just ridiculous. But let's try the wheel cleaner out and see what we got. So here's the dirty wheels. Wheel cleaner. Directions: one wheel at a time, rinse it with cold water, spray it, allow it to sit 30 seconds. We're going to skip the brushing part because we just want to see how good this works, and then we're just going to rinse it off. So we'll just hand this over to Angel and see how she works. You can see Angel's hands are already tired. Yeah, no. These are pretty bad. It probably needs a brush, but we're just trying to see.
Brushy. Action.
We might brush the other ones. I wanted to try one first, just to see how this stuff works.
How long am I supposed to leave it?
30 seconds. We'll fast forward the next 30 seconds. Yeah, these are bad. Has it been 30 seconds? I don't know what setting you should use. In the shower? That's probably not strong enough. No, jet. Yeah. Alright. Let's rinse her off and see what we got. Ooh. That's really splashy. As you can see, just as I expected. We need a brush. Well, like I said, these haven't been washed in months. Purposely let them get as bad as we could. So I'll go get a brush, and we'll continue. We must have used it all.
I didn't think we used the rest of it.
That's all gone.
We don't have any of the Griot's wheel cleaner left.
That stuff sucks. I already know that's no good. Obviously, any wheel cleaner is going to work if you scrub it like this. You could have used car wash soap and got it clean. So, I'm going to say I'm slightly disappointed. with this wheel cleaner. The stuff I used to use, the Eagle, I don't remember what it was, XYZ or something like that, wasn't it? Or A to Z, Eagle A to Z wheel cleaner.
Yeah, I think so.
That stuff would have gotten this really clean.
Yeah.
But I'm all out, so I can't prove it to you.
That, and it also helps if you wax your wheels too, which is really not that much fun. I'm not about to wax my wheels today. It's too cold for that. I think it would work fine if you washed them like, well, I don't know, once a week or every other week or something, but these are
extremely baked on dirty.
Yeah.
So
that we might be able to tell better with the back wheels because they don't get near as dirty as the fronts do.
So if you wash your wheels on a normal basis, this will work fine. I'm just slightly surprised because as good as Super Clean is, the normal Super Clean for everything else, I thought maybe this would have been a little stronger.
Maybe it's because you water it down first.
That's what the instructions said to do.
I know, but maybe they think it's going to be too strong without watering it down first. I don't know.
So as you can see, obviously, if you scrub it, it works fine.
Amazing how much better the car looks when
Yeah,
the
see,
wheels
this
are
is the
clean.
key. As long as your wheels and tires are clean, you don't have to wash your car. Because that will make a dirty car look clean.
Because everyone's going to be like, man, look at those wheels.
This one's pretty dirty too, actually.
Probably because it has been so long, but usually these back ones don't get too dirty.
It probably won't work because I don't have the shirt and the hat on.
Oh.
1001, 1030. You see, it just kind of dries up. I don't really see it eating into anything.
I think it's been about 30 seconds.
Also, if you used the electric pressure washer or a pressure washer, it'd probably work better, but I'm just trying to go with the least effort way to see how it worked. Well, it does get some of it off. It's not enough.
Seems like it got the lip just fine. It's just in the spokes that it doesn't really.
Not the front, it didn't.
Well, I mean on the back wheel, with it not being as bad.
This is not really what I had in mind when I was going to test this out. Was me scrubbing on your wheels in the cold. That's what I was trying to avoid. We should get some of the other kind again, just to do a comparison.
Yeah.
Because it's been a while since I've used it, but I know it really cuts through this stuff. Because I used to not even scrub my wheels sometimes, I'd just spray that stuff on. I know the Griot stuff doesn't work very good. It's about like this. It's the last time we send you anything. Just being honest. I love Super Clean. I don't think I love this wheel cleaner. But we'll show the other products. Except for when I use the foaming stuff in the shower. We're not going to show that because I already did it. pretty good. Did I miss any of the spokes?
I don't think so.
I usually try to start in one spot and go all the way around. I don't remember. Well, what was it? The shower? Right inside of your car's clean though.
Mine is still naked.
Then who's gonna do the other side?
I'll do the other side.
We tried to spot dry just to see what it would do. Nothing. Alright, back to scrubbing. While Angel's scrubbing this wheel, let's just try it out on the Mustang real quick. This wheel's brown. It's got brake dust on it. I don't know if it shows up, but it's dirty. See how it works on painted surfaces. Let that sit and rinse her off. Now we'll see if that did anything. How we can tell is if we go like this, and no, it didn't do anything. I mean, a little bit in some spots, but definitely requires scrubbing. That being said, when you're washing your car, you can just use regular car wash soap and a wash mitt to clean your wheels, so you don't really need any wheel cleaner. That's what I say. You might be able to use regular Super Clean, diluted a little bit as wheel cleaner. I'm not sure. That was pretty strong straight, but there's different dilution ratios for different things. They have a chart, but you can use Super Clean for pretty much anything. I feel like I need to. Yeah, like the shower. I feel like I need to wash that wheel now.
Actually wash it.
Yeah, well, That was a failed experiment.
About that day.
Hyundai? No, we don't need to do nothing about that. That paint the fender again. Alright, well, we're gonna end this there, and there's your super clean all wheel cleaner. So it works great as long as you you know, scrub it with a brush or a wash mitt or something. If you want to just spray it on and spray it off, probably not gonna be what you're looking for. So we started working on the old shoebox here again. I was motivated by a good friend who got me this new wiring harness because he's a jerk. That's the way he rolls. He wishes to remain anonymous, but I'll respect that. It's just really nice and generally. I don't know why he did that. We started working on this. We got the trans mount in place. Next thing to do is to bolt the engine and the trans together, slide it in here, and get the front motor mounts located. Gotta order a gauge cluster, start rewiring everything, and hopefully this winter we get this thing running and driving again. At least by next spring, next summer. I'll just keep pushing her back, but yeah, that's the goal. Just have to buy heads, a gauge cluster, a fuel pump for the Phytech, headers, whatever else I can't think of right now. 2 batteries. Jimmy says I have to run a separate battery in the back for the air ride, which is fine. Yeah, stereo, speakers, amps, stuff like that. You get the idea.